You can convert 24 volt to 12 volt DC with this step down converter. For example, 20 amperes and 30 amperes and 60 amperes. You can use this converter for step down battery DC 24 volt to 12 volt for bus, truck, and for example, you can use a 12 volt hi-fi stereo audio system or monitor or CD or DVD player in a bus or tractors, or LED 12 volt. You can use this device in truck or bus and tractor and boat and solar system 24 volt. You can convert 24 volt DC to 12 volt DC. For example, we have a 24 volt battery here, or 24 volt power supply here, or AC/DC adapter 24 volt. We can convert 24 volt to 12 volt. I try turn it on amplifier, power amplifier 12 volt by this AC/DC 24 volt adapter or power supply 24 volt or 24 volt battery. Okay friends, I chose 24 volt AC/DC adapter because easier to use. For turn it on 12 volt power amplifier. Well, friends, we have taught the method of connecting wire in 3 device models. Now we enter test phase. I turn on a car amplifier and 12 volt LED. Car amplifier and 12 volt LED by this converter. Connect the 24 volt input and you can see here DC 12 volt input. I use this plug. Okay, output 12 volt. For now, disconnect input and a black wire for this plug AC/DC adapter. Black wire connect to black output, 12 output. That's good. 12 output. And red wire positive connect to green wire output 12 volt. You can see here. Okay. First connect input 24 volt and secondly check by multimeter output here. That's good. 12 volt output. And okay, put the 12 volt plug here, and as you can see, turn it on. Hi-Fi, power amplifier, audio system for car by 24 to 12 volt converter, DC-DC. And I try turn it on. For example, turn it on. 12 volt LED. 12 volt LED. Put red wire here and black wire here. As you can see, turn it on. That's good. Thank you, my friends. If this video is useful for you, please like and subscribe and support us. Thank you very much, and goodbye.